YouTube. 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 What's been up? Like where y'all been at? Where have y'all been at? Your girl has been just over here. That's where I've been. But I am back. I got like eyelashes coming off, y'all. But whatever. I'm back with another video. Um, and we just don't get right to it. Look at me over here messing with stuff. But yeah, we just don't get right to it. Starting with these eyebrows. Yeah, I know I gotta concentrate on my eyebrows, so I'll be right back. So I am just putting concealer on my eyelid and blending it out. But then I realized I had the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, so I wanted to try that out and see what it looked like. Blend it out as well. I do not use the powder on my eyes because it just dies down to me. Like your eyeshadow doesn't pop when you set your eyes with the concealer. So don't use that. But whatever floats your boat, use it. Yeah. And now I'm going to use this color as a transition color. Just going to pop that in my crease a little bit, and followed by that orange color, which I will come back and talk about that whole little palette in just a second. Let's take this here. Okay, so y'all, I've realized that this little palette that I got it off Amazon. I realized that this is like a knockoff of the Huda Beauty. And I didn't realize it until like a couple weeks ago. But whatever. I usually just get what I can afford. I ain't trying to keep up with the Joneses. And that palette was, I ain't no telling how much that palette was. I can't remember how much it was, but I ain't no telling, honestly. So I just put that on top of that transition color that I just used. And basically just putting that in my crease. You gonna make me wait that savage up. So now I'm using this BH Cosmetics palette that I had for such a long time, and using that blue color that I just showed you guys. I'm gonna use that in my outer lid, and also a little bit in my crease. As y'all can tell, I like to listen to trap music. What I'm doing about makeup. It's just something about it. It just turned me up, really. That's really why I use it, because it really does turn me up. But your girl ain't been up to nothing. I've been on the same stuff, y'all. But I feel like, once again, it's this slight feeling of depression. I feel like, I just feel like I'm just getting older. Like it must be that syndrome. Well, syndrome. It must be that feeling that everybody feels once they reach a certain age and not where they want it to be in life. It gotta be, because I just feel like I just supposed to be so far than what I am, and I just be trying not to let that get me down. But I mean, I'm human, so I definitely, think about it all the time. And it's not easy um, going through this. Like, it's not easy to feel the way that I feel. And I don't like to really talk about it. I know, everybody want to have this whole going to therapy thing or talking to somebody about how you feel type thing. I get it, but I just feel like this is just a phase, or this is just a moment. So I just be like, I'll get through it, whatever. So honestly, I really don't, be talking to anybody about it. that's that. Like I said, I know it's not gonna be like this forever. I get it. But y'all just send a prayer up for your girl. Pray for me. We're praying to the Lord now, the good Lord. No, it sounds supposed to be. But they're gonna pray for you and be praying to somebody else. I don't know. I was just talking about this on Twitter about like how I feel like my love life be going so good when my like real life everything else be going terrible. And once again, I don't really be going through like no major stuff. It just be regular life shit. If we really being honest, that's all it is, just regular life stuff that everybody go through. And that's like what I was just saying was like I feel like my love life, not that it's just something so different than normal, but I have no complaints. Oh Lord. Once I get everything together though, like where I want to be career wise and money wise, oh, y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Nathaniel. I don't know which blue I want to use between this one and that one. How about we use both? Let's see. Let's try them out. This is the color Chaos. Ooh. I might like that just because of the night. Oh, do y'all see that? Girl, 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 girl. And you don't need a lot. Oh my goodness. Girl, come on here. Come through. Yeah, I don't even know what kind of look I'm going for. I just knew that I wanted it to be blue. So that's just what we're going with. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I do have my spurts of happiness though, like I think that's why I be saying like I don't be knowing if it's like depression or just me, just being human. I think it's just me being human. I think that's what it is. I don't think it's no damn depression, girl. I don't even know what depression is. The fuck. Y'all pray for me because I'm too silly. Are y'all ready for summer? Because I'm so ready for summer. Like, I'm a winter baby, so I do love the cold. But I can't wait for summer. Like, I'm ready to be going out more and wearing less. Because Drake taught us. Drake ain't taught us that we've been doing it. He just put it in the song, so you know. You know how that shit be. Know what Future said, damn, it's crazy, but it's true. But yeah. Still want to see what this, we're just going to take the opposite end of it. It's sort of kind of angled, which I don't think I need it, but I'm going to take this one in Gonzo, the other blue color. Ooh. I'm going to do that. I just want to see what it looked like. That's it. Oh, that's even more gorgeous. I don't know if y'all can see that. That is too cute. So now I'm just going to take that same brush that I use as for my transition color, that blended brush. I'm going to use that in my crease to blend out the harsh lines between the blue and my dark blue at the outer corners. And then here I'm just going back in with that blue that I put on my lid and just bringing it out some more. I didn't like that real dark look at the end, so that's the reason why I put some more on there. Until priming. Yeah, I saw the article about, I mean not article, but I was on Instagram and saw about Tommy from Love and Hip Hop. And I want to see her win so bad, but baby girl gotta want to see herself win, because it is crazy. It's crazy to live your life like that, but that's all she know. Like, she really need help. And I'm glad that she's realizing it now. I mean, she in jail, but I'm glad she realizing that she need help, so that when she do get the opportunity, hopefully she'll go after that help that she need, because that's so sad. Okay, so I'm gonna let that prime sit in my skin a little bit. Let's put some powder on while we're waiting. It's just for oil, because I get oily right up in there. So the lashes we're gonna use today is my all-time favorites. My Ardell lashes in the number 134. Just trying to get it so y'all can see. There you go. Number 134. And I am going to stack them with some Kiss Wispy lashes. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. I have my lashes on. I still look crazy, but we're gonna go back to the eyes once we get this makeup on. And now I just started pressing for time, so let's try to get this done in record-breaking time. Now, I'm not going to talk about the next couple of steps because you guys should know the routine now. Foundation, concealer, contour, highlight. Y'all already know, so here it goes. So right here, I'm just going to take some highlighter, which I'm going to use on my cheeks as well. Just using that same highlighter to go into my tear duct. Put that on. It's like a silvery champagne-like highlight. I'm going to put that in first, and then I'm going to go back in with the golden highlight on top of it. And then after this, we're going to use the same like navy blue and just a tad bit of the blue on my lid. I'm going to dip the brush in both of those and use it in my waterline. And then I'll go on top of that with mascara. And that is all, folks. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.